My dear friends, welcome back to English Podcasts for You. I'm Maria, and I'm so excited to spend this time with you today. Whether you are new to learning English or you've been practicing for a while, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Today's topic is something very useful for everyone: healthy lifestyle habits. We will learn vocabulary, practice listening, and explore how to make small changes for a better life. Are you ready? Great! Let's get started. Part 1: Morning Habits. Every healthy lifestyle begins in the morning. When I wake up, the first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It helps my body feel fresh. Do you drink water after waking up? Try it tomorrow. After that, I stretch my body. I move my arms, my legs, my back. Stretching makes me feel awake. Can you repeat after me? I stretch my body. I stretch my body. Very good. Then I eat a healthy breakfast. Sometimes oatmeal with fruit. Sometimes eggs and toast. Breakfast gives us energy for the day. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Nice. Remember, a healthy breakfast is very important. Part 2: Exercise. Now let's talk about exercise. Exercise doesn't always mean going to the gym. It can be something simple: walking, jogging, dancing, or even yoga at home. I usually take a walk in the park. I breathe fresh air, listen to the birds, and enjoy nature. It helps my body and my mind. Can you repeat? I take a walk in the park. I take a walk in the park. Excellent. How about you? Do you exercise every day? Even 10 minutes of exercise is good for your health. Remember, your body loves movement. Part 3: Eating healthy food. Food is another important part of a healthy lifestyle. I try to eat more vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. For example, rice, oats, or brown bread. I avoid too much sugar and junk food. Of course, sometimes I eat pizza or cake, and that's okay. Life is about balance. Can you say with me? Life is about balance. Life is about balance. Perfect. What's your favorite healthy food? Maybe salad, soup, or fruit? Very nice. Eating healthy gives us more energy and makes us feel strong. Part 4: Staying hydrated. One simple but powerful habit: drink enough water. Doctors recommend about 2 liters a day. I carry a water bottle with me all the time. Whenever I feel tired, I take a sip. Do you drink enough water every day? If not, try to drink more from tomorrow. You'll see the difference. Part 5: Mental health and relaxation. A healthy lifestyle is not only about the body, it's also about the mind. I like to meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. I close my eyes, breathe deeply, and relax. It makes me feel calm. You can try to. Just sit, close your eyes, and breathe slowly. Another good habit is writing a journal. I write down my thoughts, my plans, and my feelings. It helps me understand myself better. Do you write a journal? If not, maybe you can try. Part 6. Sleep. Sleep is very important. Adults need about 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. When I sleep well, I feel full of energy the next day. When I don't sleep enough, I feel lazy and tired. I always try to go to bed at the same time. Before sleeping, I put away my phone and read a book instead. What about you? Do you sleep early or late? Part 7. Daily positive habits. Let's review some simple positive habits. Wake up early. Drink water. Exercise. Eat healthy food. Relax and meditate. Sleep enough. These are small things, but together they make a big change. Part 8. Interactive practice. Now, let's practice speaking. I'll ask a question, and you answer in your own words. Ready? What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you exercise every day? How much water do you drink in a day? What helps you relax? When do you usually go to bed? Well done! Speaking out loud will help you become more confident in English. Part 9. Remember, you don't need to change everything at once. Start small. Drink more water. Take a short walk or sleep a little earlier. Step by step, you will build a healthy lifestyle. And, at the same time, you will practice English with me. Thank you so much for listening today. You're doing an amazing job. I'm proud of you. Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and come back. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and keep learning English. Bye-bye.